I'm just laying on this hill. There's a woodpecker, you hear it? That's what I was doing. I was just laying on this hill listening to the birds, dude. Listen to them. I don't know what that one is. Dude, there's lots of creatures making noise right now. Constant sound. Wow. Constant sounds of nature. That's what it is. Dog barking. Woodpecker. So this girl told me that the key to a long happy life or something you gotta do is, she says, you gotta fucking point your butthole at the sun. She says your butthole and your lips are both made of the same material, whatever, and so it's impossible to sunburn them or something, so you gotta do it or something. I was thinking about doing it, but I'm afraid someone's gonna catch me doing it. Oh, bird. Oh, I bet it'll feel so good too. The wind's blowing on me and shit. I got my feet out. You see it. That's what I came up here. I had the guts to ground myself, but I didn't. Or the day's not over, I should say. Do you hear the sounds of nature? It's beautiful. I wonder how long I would have to lay here before, though, now that I hear it, until something would try to start to eat me, you know? Wow, the clouds are cool too. The sky. Nature. It's beautiful. Just laying on the hill. What's Gordon doing? Oh, he's laying on the hill, the top of the hill, by himself with his shoes off. What the fuck you think he's doing? Then you got hot rod cars. Sounds of nature. Just nature, period. We're fucking out in nature. Birds. I wish there was a way to flip this thing around, like while you were filming. If anybody knows how to do that, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Tell me how to do it. Shh. Woodpecker. Fucking woodpecker. Hot rod. Birds. Dog. Geese. All that creatures. You hear it scurrying? That's the first creature that's coming to see if I taste good. I just scared him away because they hear way better than us. He hears me talking right now. It's like yelling in his ear. You hear it scurrying about? Do you hear the creature scurrying about? He's coming. The sun's over that way. The lake is that way. Ow. Lake, sun. East, west. And another thing, a little girl told me I smell like her grandpa. And while I didn't know how to feel about it, but while I was sitting here in nature, I decided I took it as a compliment. That's a squirrel. He's scurrying out over there. He's coming this way, you guys. You see him? See him? I wish I could turn the camera on so I could zoom in. But I can't. But maybe I can. If someone knows, leave it in a comment down below how to do it. The wind is blowing on me from this way. The west. Feels good. Not gonna lie. Squirrel, he's coming this way. Can you see him? Fuck. See him jumping around over there? Squirrels are badass. Little guy could run all over the trees and shit, no problem. His little claws. His tail is key. It's like his counterweight. What the fuck is that? No, then here's humans. Nature. That's me, actually. I was just running my... Now, where's the smoke? Two-stroke. If it ain't smoking, it's broken. That's a modulated, or no, manufactured sine wave, or not sine wave, but manufactured wave frequency. You need pure sine, I think. Well, that's at least in power inverters, but it makes sense. Like the human created machine, that frequency, wow, I don't know. Manufactured. It goes like this. It's like on a, if you were to draw it in a line, it's like it's all right angles, right? Right. And then nature or whatever biological would be like round, pure sine wave frequencies. Do you ever eat the chapped part of your lips when they get chapped? Or whatever, dry? Yeah, dry. The dead skin. Same material as your butthole. Gross. Maybe not. No. Here in nature, the birds. Again. Frogs, crickets. Whoa, look at those fucking eagles. They're eagles. Or no. Pelicans, too. Those fuckers are crazy with those big beaks. Invasive species here. To northern Illinois, the great Chino Lakes waterway. Dude, look at the sun too, that's good for your eyes. Oh, it's not. Maybe it is. It makes you blind. Burns your fucking retinas. Ugh. Thirsty, I should brought something to drink. There's water down there. It's gross though. Chirp, chirp. No one. That's a squirrel, I think. One's over here. One's over here, and one's over there. Or it could be that blackbird. There's a blackbird up there in the tree. No, it's a fucking squirrel. No, maybe not. No, I don't know. If you guys know, leave it in the comments down below. Humans. Well, anyways, that's it for today's videos, guys. 10 minutes in nature with me, your host, Gordon. Yeah. Don't forget to tune in next time. Go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. And remember, guys, we're all in this together, and you are awesome.